and this is the Glass and Gloss Facial and Buff and Glow Cloth. Now, here's the deal. This is the final quantity for the year. It might possibly be the only time we see it for quite a while. This price is also gone at the end of the show, but what this is it's a clean clinical performance skincare based in research and development brand that is bringing us really your spa in a bottle, because you're getting 2 layers of capability here of removing dirt, dead skin, and cleaning out your pores and giving you that very much on trend in the beauty industry right now, glass-like skin. Typically, this would cost you, because the Glass and Gloss goes for $69 on its own. The cloth itself goes for $12 on its own. Right now, it's a one-time only price of $49.98. So if you're looking at the skin on your face and you're going, winter is not my friend right now, that's your sign you need to get this home. This is a price that goes away at the end of the show. This is also a price that is the lowest price you'll see for 3 months, but quite frankly, my prediction is it's not gonna last the entire show. Look at this before and after. We have 2,100 in stock right now. This is after 1 use. Look right between the eyebrows. Look in the before shot, that deep line in the before, and then look at the appearance of the skin in the after. I mean, that's after 1 use. Take a look at the next before and after. Once daily for 3 days, look at the shot in the before, that's the top shot, and then down below. Look at that glass-like finish on the skin. That's what we're getting, and a little goes a long way here. Again, look at this next before and once daily for 3 days, our next before and after. This shot is unbelievable. 3 days later, once daily, we can handle that. We're not going to a spa, we're not paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars per treatment, and you're getting 30 treatments in this offer at a one-time only price. Okay, there is a woman here who is representing Beauty Bio. She is one of my dearest friends in the whole world. True story, when I saw her back in the building at QVC, I burst into tears. But she is so well-versed in the beauty industry. She is a highly touted beauty expert. She actually was hand-selected to kick off QVC's only beauty channel. It's Elise Ivy. She's here with us. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
Oh my gosh.
Congratulations on your new show with
thank
Justin.
you.
Oh my word.
I know. I love Justin. I love you.
Isn't that
It's like
cute?
an embarrassment of riches. All my friends are here.
This is amazing, and it's so, so special. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I have to say also, what's so special is this product.
Yeah.
This is absolutely incredible. So this is the first time I've ever been able to present this product here at QVC,
amazing.
and that is because we make this small batch, and it's hardly ever here, and when it is here, it usually sells out, and then I don't know when it's coming back. So what is it? It is actually a 2-phase facial. Normally you would have to go to an esthetician's office to achieve the results that you're going to see. So I'm going to do a little demonstration on my hand. We're going to start off with the very first part right here. This is the exfoliating portion. So here it is. This is it. You're just going to give it a little rub in circles on your skin. So if you have dry skin right now, wintry skin, rough skin, skin that looks dull and lackluster, I want you to pick this up today, because this is how you can completely renew and refresh your skin. So this is step 1. Right there, you're already going to see a difference between this hand and this hand. Look, isn't it insane? That's just step 1. Now we get to the good stuff. Take a look at this. This is what Courtney Kandabi actually coined nectar from the heavens. Look at this. This is what we call memory bounce, right? Memory bounce gel. And what I'm gonna do is take a little bit, because a little goes a long way, and then apply that right on top of that fresh new skin. And look, Mary, you have just achieved glass skin without going to the dermatologist's office.
Goodness. And we're seeing it in action here too. And this is clinically proven to hydrate the look of your skin after 1 use.
That's right, just after 1 use. So here you're seeing the steps, and it's so incredibly simple, Mary. This is how you are going to slough off the old and come in with the new. Just those easy 2 steps, and all of the before and afters that you saw were after just 1 to 3 uses. In these jars, you're getting 30 facials.
Okay, so what's that?
30 facials.
At a one-time only price?
Yeah.
That's math. I used to call these $1.50. Yeah, $1.50 for a facial at home. Yes, please.
I want you to see this bounce. There is nothing like this on the market. Absolutely nothing. Look at that. The bounce back that you're getting in this jar is exactly what's going to happen on your skin. So imagine what this is doing to give you the appearance of more filled in lines, to blur the look of lines, to instantly hydrate the skin. We actually have some more before and afters to show you, and I also want to show you on Anne. Look at this. After using it once daily for just 3 days, Mary, look at the pore reduction. This is what I love about this product. Luminosity, glow, glassy skin, glossy skin, completely smoothed out texture. In the before, you see the pores.
Yeah.
They are truly visible. You see the fine lines coming away from her eye. Completely smoothed out in the after. One use! Are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding? Guys, in beauty, like, this stuff doesn't happen.
No, not ever.
This is crazy.
That's why we were so excited to have it as a one-time only in Saturday Night Q, and that's why we were so excited to see it for $49.98, because once daily for 3 days. Is there an extra ring light in that after
Exactly,
shot?
right.
Is
Absolutely not. No, we are a brand that is born in the lab. We take our clinicals extremely seriously.
Yeah.
I love this one. You said it right at the top of the show here. There is a very serious line in that before picture. After one use, you are seeing that is smoothed out. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the type of result that you would normally have to walk into a med-spa to see a dermatologist.
Yeah.
You'd have to make an appointment. It's going to be expensive. Who knows how many you have to buy.
We only have 1,800 in stock, and that could very well be our final quantities for the year.
I'm being serious when I say this is small batch. We do not do this very often. It's the first time I've ever gotten to present this. I don't know when we will get more of these back in.
When I came around the corner, I said, oh my gosh, there's a sample on the table, because we have so few in the building.
That's right.
That's how hard it is to get your hands on it. And we're seeing how to use it at home.
Yes, you're seeing it right now. So Anne is actually applying this right now. She's doing the first step. This is the exfoliating step. I want you to think of the smallest thing you can think of, micro, right? Now imagine, even smaller than micro, think nano. This is a nanodermabrasion. It is so tiny. Those particles are so soft that even the most sensitive skin can use this and benefit from it. She's going to remove this now, and then she's going to apply the beautiful hydrator, the hydrator that has marine extracts in it, that's going to instantly, after one application, completely hydrate her skin and give her that glassy look, that glossy look. That's not just on trend, Mary. That's actually something that's sticking around. Okay, this is what you're seeing right now. She is actually exfoliating with the spherical crystals.
Oh my gosh.
Now, why is this different? This is different because they are rounded. That means that they can actually get into every little nook and cranny safely and effectively without scratching the skin.
Got it.
There's a lot of exfoliators out there, Mary, that use these massive particles. They actually can rip your skin.
And they're jagged
They're
when you
jagged.
look at them up close.
Exactly. Okay, so you're done with step one. Let's get
already.
Look at it. No, so she's only done half of it. It's amazing.
And you get the cloth too, which is this lovely muslin quality.
Super soft. Okay, now get in there with that bounce. We love this memory foam. Like a memory foam mattress, what does it do? It bounces back. It gives you that glass skin. Look at this, she's doing half of her face, and you can see the glow. You can see the glossiness. Drink that in and just let your skin enjoy. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh, is that the most satisfying thing ever?
It's like flan that you just want to put your whole face in.
Yes.
Now listen, this is a one-time only price. This price goes away at the end of the show. There are 1,400 remaining. Justin, I'm just sharing some glass skin with Justin.
Away. I'm gonna
This
put a
is
little bit on.
amazing.
I know.
Isn't it cool?
It's like a little trampoline.
My gosh.
Right.
I mean, that's what it's going to do for your skin.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that. That's incredible.
So, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. Like, I got off the plane today. It's cold here. It's real cold.
Just a little
Your
bit.
skin just gets real dry real fast. I actually did this treatment right before I put my makeup on today.
Amazing.
So if you just apply with just a little bit, you can put your makeup on top. If you want to really go for it and load it up, but a little does go a long way, then do this at night and use it as your mask.
This is a one-time only. Instead of $81, it is $49.98. But that price goes away at the end of the show. Lowest price it will be for the next 3 months. I love you.
I love you too. I don't think we're getting this anymore back in. So okay.
No, I know. I don't think so. Thank you. I'm so glad you're here.
you.
So good to
So
see
good
you,
to see you.
Elise.